IRS letter doesn't automatically mean you're in trouble. A lot of people's reaction is palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are ready, or whatever Eminem said. But truth is that the IRS notices are typical, and usually there's about 3 things that the IRS needs to clarify or to let you know is going on, give or take, and that's the most common notice. Because people are freaking out about notices that they haven't even opened and read themselves. So let's dive into that. You get scared, you get anxious, you don't know what to do. You're like, oh my gosh, what's the IRS talking about now? And lo and behold, it could just be it's literally a notice just to tell you what could be happening. Open your notices, please. Sometimes that letter is telling you there's a mismatch in reported income on your tax return versus the income that the IRS has. Other times it is a missing form that, hey, was not on your tax return, that should have been but wasn't. And one of the most common is there's a balance due. IRS is like, hey, I need my money, but this is a reminder to let you know that I know that you owe. And these are the ways that you can go ahead and pay me. The most important 3 things that are on those letters are the tax year, the amount due that is paid, or the problem that is being resolved, and deadline that the IRS is giving you to resolve said problem, because sometimes they will auto correct. But if you don't agree to it, then you're saying, hey, I don't agree to this, and they give you a deadline to respond. This is something that you don't want to sleep on and you don't want to wait on, because if you respond early, then you'll be able to get on top of whatever your situation is. So if it's a tax debt, you can figure out, hey, maybe I need a payment plan, or actually, I don't owe this $20,000 like you guys said I did. But each situation has options. But options are limited when you limit the time that you have to respond to what the IRS already gave you in letter. Ignoring notices leads to penalties and interest just stacking and stacking and stacking up, which nobody wants. I want you to shift how you view an IRS mail. It is a notice to let you know what the IRS is saying to you. That doesn't necessarily mean the notice is always correct, but it gives you a chance to say, for that tax year, that has nothing to do with me. Let me go ahead and get a professional to help you. So if you've been in a situation where you know those notices are piling up and you haven't even looked at them letters in months, please reach out for a call and let's go on that tax relief call with me so that we can get this fixed as soon as possible.